Take your glove, put it on. Oh, got it. I dumped the water out and put clean water back in. What up, my peeps? Welcome to Broke Boys Cooking. Today, we're gonna be cooking some enchiladas. Baked enchiladas. Now, while your chicken is boiling, cut your onion and your garlic up and throw it in there and let it boil with it with some seasoning of your kind. So, gonna be a lot of editing. That's bullshit. I ain't doing it that way. Now the garlic's cut up. Slap it in there with your onions and your chicken. Put the top on. Let it boil for about 55 minutes. And add your seasonings. Alright, now that we got our chicken cooling down, let's warm up the sauce. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright, now we are gonna take the meat off the chicken and the skin we don't need. Put that to the side. We do not put that in. Grab a tortilla, put it into the sauce. That's what I like to do. Gets it all nice so it's easier to roll. Slap it right there. Grab some chicken. Now that they're ready to go in the oven, hopefully you preheated your oven already to 420. That's where I like cooking at. After your enchiladas have been in the oven for about 15, 20 minutes on 420, take them out. It should look like that. A little bit of sauce on that. Ooh! It's good. It's going for the taste test. Ooh, you know it's hot.